Good morning, dear students. Welcome to another session of Management Accounting. In the last session, we have calculated example number 7. This time we are going to solve example number 8. This would be a little bit different than the other examples. So firstly, let us have a look at it and then we'll move towards the solution. The standard material cost of a normal mix of 1 ton of chemical O is based on chemicals X, Y and Z, usage 240, 400, 640, price 6, 12, 10. During a month, 6.25 tons of chemical O were produced from these things. So next is, so the first table is given standard and this is given actual. So consumption in tons, here the consumption in kgs are given and here consumption in tons are given. So 1.6, 2.4 and 4.5. Cost 11,200, 30,000 and 47,250. Right? So two things over here. Something is given in kg and some informations are given in tons. Here the price per kilogram is given and here the total costs are given. Right? So firstly we need to calculate all these things well in detail. So let us calculate the same first. So firstly, we need to calculate standard quantity. So here the standard quantity has to be found out. Right now we are moving with the working notes only. Okay. So standard quantity. So for 1 ton, the kilograms are given 1260, right? So for 6.25 tons, into 1280, sorry. So standard quantity is required 8,000 kilograms. See here the standard loss is not there, right? So directly we can go with this. The standard is given for 1 ton. We need to make a total of these three things. See, 240, 400 and 640 total comes down to 1280. So for the production of 1 ton of chemical, 1280 kilograms of raw materials are used. So for 6.25 tons, how many kilograms? So that is 8,000 kilograms. So now for material X, 8,000 into 240 divided by 1280. For Y, 8,000 into 400 divided by 1280, and for Z, 8,000 into 640 divided by 1280. Okay, so the answer will be for chemical X is required at 1500 kilograms, Y is required let me calculate, 2,500 kilograms of Y material is required and Z is required 8,000 into 640 divided by 1280, 4,000 kilograms. Alright, or TSQ 8,000, right? So that has to be distributed among X, Y and Z. Okay, so X is 240, Y is 400 and Z is 640. Divide all of them by 80, we get the ratio 3, 5, 2. Right? So this 8,000 has to be distributed in the ratio 3:5:2. Then also we get the same answer, 1500 kilograms, 2500 kilograms and 4000 kilograms. Okay, so the first working note is calculation of standard quantity, right? 1500, 2500 and 4000. Now second working note, for an important table we require 4 items: SQ, SP, AQ and AP. So now we have got SP, we also have got SQ. So now we need to calculate actual quantity, because we have given quantity in tons but we want in kilograms, right? So for X it is 1.6 tons. So to transform the same into kilograms, 1 ton equals to 1000 kilograms, right? So 1.6 into 1000. So actual quantity of X will be 1600 kilograms. Likewise for Y, the consumption is 2.4. So 2.4 into 1000, so that would be 2400 kilograms. And for Z, it is 4.5 into 1000. So that is 4500 kilograms. So this is our second working note of calculating actual quantity. Now for calculation of actual price. In the example, in the question, we have given cost, right? So for that purpose we need to divide this cost with the quantity, we get the price. So how can we find out actual price? So cost divided by quantity, we get the price. So for X, cost was 11,200, quantity 1600 kilograms. Then we get the price per kilogram, 11,200 divided by 1600, so 7 rupees. Okay. Likewise for Y, cost is 30,000 and kilograms 2,400 kilograms. So 30,000 divided by 2,400. So actual price of Y is 12.5 and for Z it is 47,250 divided by 4.5. So that is 4,500. So the answer is 10.5 rupees. So in working notes we have calculated SQ, AQ and AP. Now we can prepare the table, our important table, with chemical or material, SQ, SP, AQ and AP. Chemical X, Y and Z, standard quantity 1500, then 2500 and 4000. Standard price is given in the example 6, 12, 10. AQ that we have just found out 1600, 2400 and 4500, and actual price is 7, 12.5 and 10.5. Okay, so this is your important table. Let us make a total of this. So this is 8,000 and here it would be 1600 plus 2400 plus 4500. This would be 8500. So this is called TSQ and this is called TAQ. Up to the previous examples we used to deduct loss from here, but here in this example there is no any loss, so our important table completes here. Starting with the calculation, calculate material cost variance. So first formula, material cost variance, that is MCV. So let us start with the calculation. Firstly, let me write down the formula. SQ into SP minus AQ into AP. Okay, so this is the formula. Starting with X, standard quantity of X is 1500, standard price is 6 minus 1600 into 7. So that would be 9,000 minus 11,200. So this will be negative 2,200. Okay. For Y, SQ is 2,500. SP is 12, AQ is 2,400 and AP is 12.5. So 2,500 into 12, so that would be 30,000 minus 2,400 into 12.5. So that also would be 30,000. So here the variance is 0. And for Z, $4,000 into 10 minus 4,500 into 10.5. So 40,000 minus 47,250. So negative 7250. So the final answer will be negative 7250 and 2250. So the answer will be negative 9450, unfavorable. So this is the answer of material cost variance. Okay, so this is the whole calculation of material cost variance. 9450 is your answer. Now moving towards the second, material price variance, that is MPV. Okay, so for calculation of MPV, formula MPV equals to AQ into SP minus AP. So for X, actual quantity is 1600 into bracket, standard price is 6 and actual price is 7. So 1600 into minus 1, so the answer would be 1600, unfavorable. Likewise for Y, AQ of Y was 2400, standard price 12 and actual price 12.5. So 2400 minus 0.5. So negative 1200 will be the answer of this, right? Next, Z. 4500, 10 minus 10.5. So 4500 into negative 0.5. So that would be negative 2250. All of them will be negative here. So the answer will be 1600 plus 1200 plus 2250. So the price, the material price variance will be negative 5050. So minus 5050 unfavorable. So material price variance is negative 5050. Okay. Next, third, material usage variance, that is MUV. Okay. So the formula of MUV equals to standard price into bracket standard quantity minus actual quantity. So for X, the standard price was 6, SQ was 1500 and AQ was 1600. So 6 into bracket negative 100. So the answer will be negative 600 for X. For Y, standard price is 12. Quantity is, let me check. $2,500 minus actual quantity is 2,400. So 12 into bracket 100. So positive 1200 for Y, and for Z, standard price is 10. Standard quantity is 4000 kilograms and actual quantity is 4500. So this would be negative 5000. So answer of MUV will be 5600 negative and 1200 positive. So this will be negative 4400 unfavorable. Okay, that is MUV. Clear everybody? Okay. Now as TSQ is 8000 and TAQ was in the table, what was it? $8,500. So as both of them are not equal, so revised standard mix should be found out. Okay, so let us calculate revised standard mix first. So formula, revised standard mix equals to TAQ into SQ upon TSQ. So for X, TAQ was 8500, 1500 divided by 8000. For Y, 8000 into 2500 divided by 8000, and for Z, 8500 into 4000 divided by 8000. It will be like this. So answer of X is to 1500 divided by 8000. 1594. 1593.75. Let it be as it is. 8500 into 2500 divided by 8000. So this will be 2656.25, and 8500 into 4000 divided by 8000. This would be 4250. Okay. So now this is the calculation of revised standard mix, right? Now we have to calculate material mix variance. Fourth, that is MMV. So MMV will be standard price into revised standard mix minus actual mix. Mix means quantity. So for X, standard price is 6, revised standard mix is 1593.75, and actual mix is 1600. So 6 into bracket negative 6.25. So negative 37.5 is the answer of X. Then for Y, standard price is 12, revised standard mix is 2656.25 minus actual mix 2400. So 12 2656.25 minus 2400. So 256.25 into 12. So this will be positive 3075. Okay. And last, Z. So standard price is 10. Revised standard mix is 4250 and actual mix is 4500. So this would be negative 250, and the answer will be negative 2500. So the final answer will be 2500. It will be positive 537.5. Material mix variance, because the positive amount is more than these two negative. So answer will be positive 537.5. And last but not the least, that is material sub-usage variance. Okay, so that is M sub-usage variance. Formula MSUV equals to standard price, standard mix minus revised standard mix. Alright, so for X, standard price is 6, standard mix was 1500 and revised standard mix was 1593.75. So 6 into bracket negative 93.75. So the answer will be negative 562.5. For Y, standard price is 12, standard mix 2500 and revised standard mix 2656.25. So 12 into bracket 2656.25, 156.25 but negative into 12. So that would be negative 1875, unfavorable. Then Z, standard price is 10, standard mix was 4000 and revised standard mix 4250. So 10 into bracket negative 250. So the answer will be negative 2500. So the final answer will be 2500, 1875 and 562.5. All of them are negative. So the answer will be negative 4937.5, unfavorable. This is the answer of material sub-usage variance. Okay. Last but not the least, verification or reconciliation. We can go with the same. We have got the formula MCV equals to MPV plus MUV. So the answer of MPV is negative 5050 and answer of MUV was negative 4400. So by adding both of them we get the answer, that is negative 9450, and this is exactly our material cost variance. So if it is equal to your material cost variance, it means your calculation is correct. And second, reconciliation, MUV equals to MMV plus MSUV or MMV plus MYV. So here, as there is no loss, yield variance cannot be found out. So the answer of material mix variance positive 537.5 plus sub usage negative 4937.5. So minus 537.5. So this is exactly equal to our usage variance, that is negative 4400, unfavorable, right? So likewise we can reconcile or verify the answer. So now let me just show you the whole calculation, example calculation once again, right? Starting with the question once again. Okay, so if you want to have a screenshot, you can see. This is your question. Example courtesy B.S. Shah Prakashan. Then we have calculated the working notes starting with the standard quantity. Then we have calculated actual quantity. Then the important table and material cost variance. Then material price variance. Then material usage variance. In that I have explained TSQ is not equal to TAQ. So we have calculated revised standard mix. So this is the answer of revised standard mix. Then material mix variance. And last, material sub-usage variance. And reconciliation as well. Okay, so this is how we can solve this example. Fine. I hope you have understood it very well. Okay, so up to here you need to write this down, all these things in your notebook, right? Total we have solved 8 examples, right? In the next session we'll solve the example exactly like this. Okay, till then just keep writing all these things. Be ready with the list of formula of this chapter as well, alright? Because we are going to start with the next chapter, that is labor variance, which would be exactly like this, alright? Just minor variation of terms. Okay, so till then stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you all.